2, 1.
Now, punta naman natin ang derivatives gamit ang product rule. Halimbawa, we have y is equal to 3x plus 2 times 3x squared plus 8. Now, sa pamamagitan ng product rule, ganito lang yan. Let us rewrite the first function, itong 3x plus 2, multiplied by the derivatives of the second function, 3x squared plus 8. Then, plus, copy naman natin yung second function, that is 3x squared plus 8. Then, i-multiply natin by the derivatives of the first function. First function natin ay 3x plus 2. Then the first function ay 3x plus 2. Now, what is the derivatives? What is the derivatives of the second function? Apply natin ang, yes, that is a power rule. Multiply the exponent to the numerical coefficient. 3 times 2 is 6x. Then, subtract by 1, that is 1. Then, what is the derivatives of 8? Since it is a constant, according sa constant rule, that is equal to 0. Plus, again, rewrite natin yung second function, 3x squared plus 8. Then, ano naman yung derivatives ng first function? 3x, the exponent is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Then, x, the exponent is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Wala na yung ating x. And again, apply the constant rule. Yung 2, the rule is, the derivatives of a constant is equal to 0. Then, after that, isi-simplify na lang natin yung naging result. 6 times 3 is 18. X times x is x squared. Then, 2 times 6 is 12x. Then, 3x squared times 3, or 3 times 3, that will be 9x squared. 8 times 3 is 24. Then, let us combine the similar term. 18x squared and the 9x squared, that will be 27x squared. Then, 12x plus yung common term. Now, just rewrite it. And 24. Again, the derivatives of the product of 3x plus 2 and 3x squared plus 8 is 27x squared plus 12x plus 24. Okay, punta tayo sa second example. Ang given natin ay f of x is equal to 5x cubed plus 2x minus 1 and multiplied by that quantity 3x squared minus 7. Now, sa pagkuha ng derivatives, gamitin natin ang product rule. Rewrite the first function. Ang first function natin ay 5x cubed plus 2x minus 1. Then, multiply natin by the derivatives of the second function. The derivatives of the second function is the 3x squared minus 7. Then, we use plus. Plus, rewrite the second function which is the 3x squared minus 7. Then, derivatives of the first function, or d over dx, 5x cubed plus 2x minus 1. Then, rewrite again the first function, 5x cubed plus 2x minus 1. Then, what is the derivatives of 3x squared minus 7? Derivatives of this is 6x and negative 7, that is 0. Plus, nire-write ulit yung second function. Kinuha naman natin ang the derivatives of 5x cubed is 15x squared. Then, the derivatives of 2x is 2 and negative 1, that is 0. Now, let us distribute or simplify the expression. 6x times 5x cubed, that is 30x to the fourth. Then 6x times 2x, that is 12x squared. 6x times negative 1, and that is a negative 6x. Then plus, now we have a product of two binomials. We can distribute 3x squared to 15x squared plus 2, and negative 7 to 15x squared plus 2. Now, 3 times 15, that is 45x to the fourth. Then, 3x squared times 2 is 6x squared. Then, negative 7 times 15x squared, that is a negative 105x squared. Then, negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. Now, after that, ating hanapin ang mga common term. Since ang highest degree is 4, we have 30x to the fourth and 45x to the fourth. The sum is 75x to the fourth. The next degree is 2. We have 12x squared, 6x squared, negative 105x squared. Now, the sum is 12 and 6 is 18. Then negative 105, that will be a negative 87x squared. Then next terms is negative 6x. Walang kagaya ang negative 6x, i-rewrite lang natin. Then, followed by 14. Wala rin kagayang term si 14, kaya rewrite lang natin. Now, we have 75x to the fourth, 87x squared, negative 6x minus 14. That is the derivatives of the given functions, 5x cubed plus 2x minus 1, then 3x squared minus 7. Okay, for the third example, kayo naman ang mag-try. Then, post this video, then i-check ninyo kung tama ang sagot ninyo.
Half hours later, a few inches later, day 2, day 3, day 4, a few moments later, 1 eternity later, 3 days later, 12 seconds later, 3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later, many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, sige nga, ating i-check kung tama ang inyong sagot. Ang ating first function is 4x squared plus 3. The derivatives of the second function, we have 5x minus 6 plus, rewrite the second, we have 5x minus 6, derivatives of the second. The derivatives of the first function. We have 4x squared plus 3. Then, again, we have rewrite the 4x squared plus 3. And what is the derivatives of 5x minus 6? That is 5 plus rewrite the second function. What is the derivatives of 4x squared plus 3? That is 8x. Then, multiply natin, o distribute natin yung 5. We have 20x squared plus 15 plus 8x times 5. We have 40x squared minus 48x. Then, combine the similar term. We have the derivatives is 20 plus 40. We have 60x squared. 15. Oh, and 48 is not a similar term. We just rewrite 48x plus 15. The derivatives of 4x squared plus 3 multiplied by 5x minus 6 is 60x squared minus 48x plus 15. O, tumama ba kayo? Okay, now ating i-generalize. Ang sabi, the derivatives using the product rule is, the procedure is, copy the first function. Then, times natin times the derivatives of the second function plus copy the second function times the derivatives of the first function. Ganun lang kasimple ang ating product rule. Ulitin ko lang. The derivatives is, we just copy the first function times the derivatives of the second function plus copy the second function times the derivatives of the first function.
Like and share. Subscribe.